Today we will teach you how to make an investment bot easily, but for this you need to know some basic things and cammonds, so don't skip any part of video.
Most important, how to remove ads in bot. Follow these steps to remove ads from your bot easily. Now we will show how to add channel in bot, because in bot I have added other command for joining force in bot. Set here your channels and don't forget to make a admin to the bot. Here also edit your channel username. When you will start your bot first time, he will send you other message, so tap on admin login. You can set these things from main setting option. In this bot code channel force is not working fine, but I have already added other commands, so don't add here your channel. You can add here your payment channel. For this, tap on option to forward any message from payment channel. You can add here sign up bonus, or you can close it. Also I have added one TRX registration bonus. You can add referral commission according to you watch video to learn. I have already added, but for show you I am doing again. You can add here fake statics. This is cool thing in this bot.
Add here your TronLink account to get users deposit amount automatically or pay withdrawal automatic. You can send here any message to all bot users with one click only, or you can contact any one user. Here you can add minimum withdrawal amount and check pending withdrawals records, or enable or disable auto withdraw and withdraw. You can check and add here these things. You can check here any user full detail and history in your bot. You can set payment channel, deposit, withdrawal, or joining message. Many options must watch.
I will set withdrawal message to show you. In message, these cammonds needed for send correct message in payment channel. From here you can add your buttons for bot. Now we will show you that it is working fine or not.